Welcome to the Shikama Live Show with your host, Shikama. So if you have not been paying attention to the news, you should know that China's stock market and index took quite a tumble, went down 20% in one day. Immediately, Hong Kong and Japan also started to tumble. There's speculation that there might be a shutdown of the stock market in memory of the 1929 U.S. New York Stock Exchange, where margin calls were made and the stock exchange was actually closed, I believe, for 3 days. There is no word as of yet if it's going to close. Now, here's the deal. The Western media is trying very hard to paint a bright, rosy picture over in the New York Stock Exchange, the European stock exchanges. But let me tell you this. I don't even understand why the mainstream media tries to paint this rosy picture all the time. You cannot have anything that goes up, 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 up. First of all, you would run out of money. It's the truth. But on a very technical level, I'm from the Austrian school. And the first thing that they teach us at the Austrian school is that business has cycles. You have ups and downs. You have highs and lows. The whole idea of sell high, buy low necessitates that there has to be a high and a low. What's high for somebody might be low for somebody else. It all depends on what you're looking at, of course, right? If you're a technician versus a fundamentalist, there is no way that you're going to have a permanent bull market on the New York Stock Exchange, Chicago, what have you. You're going to have to drop at some point. We have right now a bond bubble, a housing bubble, a dollar bubble. The only reason that you're not seeing the dollar bubble is because they are still issuing quantitative easing in the EU and in Japan, I believe. Yes, Japan is doing quantitative easing as we speak. With China tumbling, I expect our bubbles to burst either this week or next week. You know, we've been predicting that it was going to burst in October, and they are predicting a full-on crash next year in 2016. But this, of course, is unforeseen. We're waiting on to see how this is going to be handled. Do you think this week is going to be murder? Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching the Shikama Live Show. Please thumbs up the video.